Previously, in our last episode... And just ahead...
Been a lot of places, seen a lot of faces. Oh hell, I even fuck with different races.
OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of two cats.
Went to the gym, got a perm, and came home.
G here from OG Creations.
And just like that,
My custom order requests have gone from short shorts and thongs to hoodies. You can definitely tell autumn
Autumn.
is here. It's a fairly common routine of mine that when I get a new order request,
I Google
inspiration photos. More times than not, it's because it's going to end up the thumbnail for these damn videos. But sometimes those photos spark creativity, either on the pattern or some interesting color I hadn't thought about adding into the requested ones. And when that happens, I get even more excited to start the project.
I'm so excited!
So when I received today's request for dark galaxy colors of blue, teal, and purple, I started Googling. I Googled the hell out of it, and I came across this gorgeous Stonehenge photo. And I must have still been feeling my Halloween witchiness.
Been a lot of places, seen a lot of faces. Oh hell, I even fuck with different races. A white dude, his name was John. He had a Queen Bee Rules tattoo on his arm.
Because I instantly knew that this was my inspiration piece. The clarity of the stars and the gradation of color are stunning. This week, I'll be creating a reverse dye hoodie, primarily using liquid dyes, but then adding in some dye powders at the end to add some depth. I think this one is going to be gorgeous.
Oh my god, gorgeous!
I can't wait to see what the end results are going to look like. Let's get started! I start with a men's 100% cotton full zip black hoodie. Using the crumple technique, I basically just wad this up. On my dye rack, I carefully apply a 2-to-1 water to bleach solution and then allow it to process for 20 minutes. I then place it in a 10-to-1 peroxide water solution for another 20 minutes. It is rinsed under running cold water for about 10 minutes before I soak it in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes. I then set it aside for 48 hours until it's practically dry. Back on my dye rack, I do what I call dye painting, where I apply liquid dye, this time lilac, to the lightest portions of the hoodie, and then I set it aside for 1 hour. Next I apply my darker shades. Here I'm using colors of Azure Blue and Aquamarine. I then apply a light sprinkling of Azure Blue dye powder. There's enough liquid already in the hoodie, so I don't need to apply ice or do hot water irrigation on top of it to activate those dye particles. I just set it aside for 48 hours to cure in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that I have removed all residual soda ash. It is then ran through a cold water cycle a few times because it did make my washer over suds, and then I run it through a hot water cycle. After it's dried and ironed, it's prepared for delivery. You can purchase similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. Okay, this is beautiful. I'm so excited with how it turned out. It 100% matches my inspiration photo, and I just know that the client is going to love it. Thank you so much for watching the video today. If you have any questions or just want to leave a comment, make sure to do so in the section below. I love responding to everyone, and it really does help with the algorithm for new viewers to find my channel. So please comment away and tell all your friends to start watching the videos because I put a lot of time and energy into them. Seriously, I've worked on 2 videos in the last 72 hours, non-stop, no sleep, and I'm exhausted. Thank God for English breakfast tea and a shit ton of coffee. As always, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.